Hi, how are you? I'm Zita, your guide and luminary. Thank you for joining me. Today's February 2nd, 2022, and it's the beginning of the new year, the new Chinese year, that is, the year of the tiger, and that represents a year where there's going to be a lot of action, a lot of fast movement. And I was inspired today because of today's date, February 2nd, 2022. There's a portal that's opening up that will be bringing in a lot of energy. And during the night, I was feeling a big download coming through. My ears and my crown area was vibrating. So I was inspired to do this tarot reading for you today. This portal is supposed to be opening from today till February 22nd, 2022. So hopefully there'll be a lot of movement and progress here on Earth in the ascension process. So what I'm going to do is a quick tarot reading and see if there's a message for us as a collective. It's a bit too many cards. So this card represents the end of a fight, a victory coming, celebration. You can see Six of Wands. Victory. News are kind of coming. Probably the end of a fight. Maybe this is the end of the COVID. Let's see. I like to let the cards flip or jump themselves. This way I feel like it's not me doing the flipping. It's the universe sending a clear, distinct message. So it's impersonal and objective. Normally, when this card's right up, this represents a solid foundation and time for celebration. I think the feeling that, or the message that's coming through right now is that the moment of celebrations are not far. We will be celebrating soon, but because it's upside down, it seems like the celebrations behind the scenes, I think we don't all see the victory yet. I think this might be represented by the light. The good that's probably won. The galactic war has won, but here on Earth we're still fighting. So it might be still a little too early to celebrate this victory. It's a spiritual battle that's been won, but here on Earth we can't really celebrate because I'm feeling that there's still work to do. There's still work to do. There's a swift energy coming in. It's like there's a presence of some leader, and the energy will be coming through, which is great because like the year of the tiger, there's going to be a swift movement coming in to wake us up. And it's a positive energy because the card's been right side up. The other feeling I got reading the cards is, as you can see, there are two castles, two castle-like structures on either side. So it feels to me like two kingdoms will be coming together to fight as one. So it doesn't matter if you're black or white, rich or poor, man or woman, together collectively we'll be working together. The chariot represents swift movement coming together. The image I got was also the Canadian truck convoy that's coming in. It's represented by this chariot here. So freedom fighters are here. They're going to wake us up, wake up the masses. So next card is Eight of Cups. Knight of Cups, I'm sorry. And there's going to be an offering coming in. So maybe an offering of peace. It'll come slowly because, as you can see, the horse is walking very, very quietly. He's not still. He's moving forward. So an offer of peace might be coming in for us. And the fact that this soldier is white, so it's probably the White Hats coming in with an offer of peace. These two are upside down, and it seems that the fight is not over yet. In general, this is a good sign if it's right side up, meaning that we have won. But because it's under this celebration card, there's still fighting to go. There's going to be a struggle. The hand of God is there, but still going to be a struggle. So people are looking to the future and are very dismayed. They're hoping for this savior type energy to come in. They're looking to the future and they feel dismayed that they can't really quite see their future. It's been a long, long haul. So let's see. There's a final card. King of Swords and a Page of Swords. It'll be futile fight. The fight will be over. The king will win. A strong personality will come in and there'll be victory. I really believe that we will win. Someone sitting on the throne, overseeing who we are. And usually the King of Swords is someone who has a lot of rationale, a lot of reason, a lot of wisdom. And they stand for us and will fight this war for us. We're still between different wars, different worlds. There's still a lot that's juggling. It's not always working out. It's difficult. It seems that there's a negotiation going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. It's going slowly. Messages are being stopped. The communication's not working. It's going back and forth, back and forth. The devil. The devil's trying to take control. The devil's the one that's stopping this negotiation and keeping us in bondage. However, the judgment will be served. We will win this war. The trumpets will be sounded. Mankind will be able to celebrate and win this war. To bring us peace, prosperity, love, and joy. Thank you very much. I hope this resonated with you. I hope this brings you some comfort, especially the last card. That yes, indeed, we will win this war. It will be a struggle. The devil will rear his head. The people represented by the devil will try to fight, but they're losing the battle. Their messages are no longer penetrating. People who were once confused will find clarity. The judgment's here. The leaders are here. And the messages will come through very quickly for us all. There's a freedom fighting movement that's happening in the world, and will be brought to light. So don't despair. This is a glorious day, a glorious time. We will win. Have a great day. God bless. And I hope to see you soon.